people, we don't carry waka enter street again. Wetin carry us come street na the issue of this fuel price wey dey increase. But today we can't find out from people how the increase of the fuel price still affect market wey dey sell and how they take dey buy. Right now we dey Akpakpava for Agbado market. Now we dey so we can't find out from people wey dey sell market how the price be. How the fuel increase still affect their market, if they see market sell, if they get customers. Now wetin we wan find out for this our waka today. My name na Pelumi Mukoro. Make una join us for this waka.
If you go market, whether they buy 500 before, now it's 1,000. School children now they don't increase their school. This year now people too die na hunger. Who not chop, you no go die. Increase medicine. Bed, they'll say they want to do test. Now they'll do this one, do this one, do this one, do this one. Test. Money when they'll take buy medicine go different for test. Who get motor now not see money take buy for it. He go trek, reach 4 miles. He good.
Because of the price, everything too high. At least we dey buy meat. This leg of meat 120. Today we buy on 150,000. So nobody dey inside market because of fuel scarcity. Not be say fuel dey scarce now, it dey normal. They increase from year to year now 15 naira before, now it's 200.
The country, e affect me. The country no stable. No be as e dey sweet me before, e dey sweet me now. Everybody dey hungry. We dey cry for Buhari, but this one another serious one. The thing be say make dem give the right person wey be say na president. I believe say e go dey good.
They change this government. We are tired of this government. Under 2 months, everything scatter. So even all of them are dissenting, but this one, Buhari is that kind 90. Why this one is 100% dangerous? May they change both of them. APC, anything APC entirely, may they change them entirely. Go outside there, people is dying every day because of hunger. Madam, forget that 8,000. We don't need the 8,000. Our one are useless. We don't need the 8,000. Let them carry and go feed their family.
To eat now wahala. Before, if you enter this our market on Tuesday, everywhere they very busy. Very, very busy. But now, see me, I just sit down the press phone. Unlike before, I sit down the press phone. No customer. Market what they buy before is ×2. Transport now, now transport now come make everything worst. The increment of fuel now can cost everything. We think say if the new government enter, at least the suffering go less. But it can't be like say they carry fuel, pour inside fire where they catch, everywhere come burst. Person no fit buy rice again. Na beans you wan buy, abi na garri. Wetin person wan buy for this country again? Government, from the president, go reach the governors, the wetin they call them, senators, rep. More especially our reps and our senators, na them me dey blame because na them supposed to dey control this country. But then they carry money, they pocket their pockets. Now they are senators, now then they kill us mostly. Because if president say, see how it won't be, then the senators go say, no, more will do one like this, more will do one like this. At least it go dey okay. But this one, what they know na their pocket. They'll fly their children abroad, fly their families abroad. We go there here, they suffer.
Time when they increase them, they say na subsidy they remove. That one, we they suffer, we they cry. That you see today where you see so. People even come because of say some parents they try make them graduate speaking where they do graduate. Sometimes if you come here, we not go reach 5 people for this market. And a market where it pass 100 people. And you see them now, this market as they say so. Sometimes people go beg for food, money they go as. Customers, they know they come out again, come buy market. Hardship is too much. It's too much. Baba Tinubu should just please. The country is too hard. We didn't expect this from him. All this wayo, first subsidy. Now so the subsidy does the time when they say they change money because of a particular person. At the end, the money not come out. We not see change. Now they send a first subsidy. Tomorrow now we not go see difference. So make we not go die before the subsidy come.
They don't have the people at heart at all. Because if they get the people at heart, therefore they consider people. Because since they increase fuel, the situation is so unbearable. It just very unbearable to everyone and very biting. The price of everything don't go up outrageously, and things are no longer affordable again. I beg, if there's anything they can do to alleviate the suffering of the masses, make them do them. Everybody now, they don't feel bear them again, so that people will not take to the streets, because the price of everything don't so high, don't go up very high. You know, the things that they buy before in a better price now, the thing don't skyrocket. So I beg, may government come to our aid, may they do something about town. We were even complaining of Buhari, say things in Buhari time there, but now Buhari time is far better compared to this new dispensation, this new government. This new government just entered barely 2 months. The way price say increase, it just be like on geometric progression. Now they are talking about 8,000 naira. They are talking about soft landings for the masses. Now wayo that they use and they do. Now wayo, 2 months now since they've removed it. On the first day of it just enter, he remove them. It's 2 months now. What have you done with the money? What is on ground? There's no visible progress on ground. Now wayo, we cannot rely on that.
When Buhari did, the price did lesser past now. But during that Buhari regime, fuel still enter 700. We buy them, but it not take time. It still come down to 250. But now where this our new Baba don't enter now, we don't know the last level where we take, because why? God bless say the country now, we know your get leaders at all. We find out they be like waiting one person you buy, they take and they do your own business. If you put any price, we be say, because now the way you to buy now you say, now what is I just see this country now. Because me now I dey into gas, I still use my car for cab. Most times if I don't see work, I go use my cab. Because normally, if I buy fuel 700 or 600, now if passenger comes to my car, I go tell the passenger the price will be say it go benefit me. The only thing will be say I feel they tell government now, make they see the pity for us. We don't try.
People are complaining. You can see from 1 kilometer to 2 kilometers, before it was like 100 naira, now it's 300 naira. So people are complaining. If you go to market, you cannot buy things you buy before like 3,000, now is 9,000. So before the first subsidy, actually they're supposed to plant most of the refinery in place so that people can be able. The only thing that the common man benefit from Nigeria is that first subsidy. So everything now in the market is too expensive. By the time is a little bit better than this administration. This one is just only 2 months now. Actually, this should be 2 months. Everybody is just be like on standby. We are on standby in Nigeria today. We have to say the truth, because if we are not saying the truth, everybody is afraid to say the truth. Many people are traveling out. Some people are prepared to go to nearby countries. Look at the way Cameroon and other countries, they are helping Nigeria because of we are supposed to be in our fatherland. They say that Nigeria is one of the deserts of Africa. At the end of the day, we are suffering. Many companies are closing. You go to Port Harcourt, you go to Warri, you go to everywhere, and at the end of the day, there is no electricity, and everybody is buying diesel. Some people are buying fuel. If you go to welder, something they're supposed to collect like 200 naira to weld for you, they will collect 1,000, 2,000 because there is no light. They are using fuel.
Everything we would buy to do our business don't see increase. It affect transport, it affect food, it affect even those with the parent. If you look the way the thing dey, whether we like them or not, the way the president is start, he hard do, but it's necessary. Because this subsidy, it don't take away, we don't complain, we don't know how the thing they work. We don't know who they collect. We don't know whether people pocket it they enter. We don't know whether they actually they pay people or whether not just wayo they play us. So as you say, don't remove and so. some of us happy, say you remove them. So make you use the money do another thing. It didn't be say pain must follow am. Oyibo man say you no fit prepare whole millet without say you no go break egg. So we no go fit remove am. Make we not suffer and small. Now let 2 months. The man never stay 2 months. May 29 to today never stay 2 months. When in day. So make we dey watch. Make we give am small time. Reach at the end of the year before we know.
The truth be say, as you see everywhere now, you see say cars don't limit for road, and you don't see say more people don't dey road. The reason is because people don't like to trek, but because of the government policy that we put for ground on this fuel issue, don't see the crowd on many. You go over the Wakana, you see your friends for road because why? Everybody don't get alternative of checking, and like you see every day now they do protest. The protest, all the message they pass for the protest be say the hardship they hit on every citizen hard, and it is that time the government look at the policies where they do on ground and see how they can work on it to make sure say every citizen for this country benefit and at least reduce this suffering, because the suffering is not too much. And I believe that even in Edo State, the suffering they hit hard. Things for market don't there, transportation don't increase. Where you they go for 100 naira before now 500 naira, we they beg them, make the Tinubu government try, make you work on things, make things they better. For the Buhari administration, in fact, the two of them did together, now synonymous government. And the truth be say, no one better pass one. You know they'll say the angel, the good one, the bad. In fact, this one are the two are bad one. So we just pray, say, may God just intervene. The only solution we need now is God intervention. Apart from this one, nothing will happen again. So even the youth, currently now things are hitting them hard. Small scale business like barber and dry cleaning and all that. You find out say they don't feel they deliver again. A lot of things are going on. Little businesses are dying every day. I beg. They beg the Tinubu government, say I beg, your policy not too bad.
My people now don't hear from market women from Agbado market, and people where they trade around the place say things too cost, customer not there, market too dear. We can't stand up for Ring Road where we they ask people where they waka, and at the same thing say the economy hard. Until we come your way again, my name remains Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV.